Well, here we are a little while later. I got the left side torsion bar in and the torque tube, not the torque tube, the spring plate all on there. And I got the rubber bushings out of this. I put Delrin bushings in there. As you can see, our mark is, flashlight on top there, is pretty darn close. That's it's about as good as she gets. It wasn't that hard to do. Even if it's off, this here is eccentric, so you can adjust the back plate, the back of the arm up and down, so that'll raise and lower the suspension some. Drew it in with my collection of really long bolts and some grease. And that's that. Next will be cleaning out this hole and putting the spherical bearing in it. Then we can reattach the control arm. Then we get to do all the same stuff over on the other side there.